You know, truthfully, I don't know where YouTubers and filmmaking would be without drones. Every time I fly a drone, it's my favorite toy, okay? They're absolutely incredible, especially this one. Okay, so today's video is dedicated to drones, specifically the DJI AIR 2S. The DJI AIR 2S. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor, the DJI AIR 2S is capable of 5.4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. Whoa. We can't forget about the hyperlapse and panorama features that are equipped with the DJI AIR 2S, although I do believe those features are equipped with other drones within the DJI family as well. So they also have this color feature that's called D-Log, and it's a color profile, and it allows you to edit the colors and color grade the footage as you'd like in a very professional way. I do that with my footage. I use something called a LUT. I don't sell LUTs yet. The drone fits great in my camera bag, and I take it with me mostly wherever I go. And today, I'm going to show you what this drone is capable of. The DJI AIR 2S. Someone just tried to steal the camera. Alright, this is the most droneable place I've ever seen, so I'm very excited. Let's do it. It is really windy here. I'm semi-afraid to fly it actually, but it's just so beautiful, I don't think I can not. Alright, final thoughts. This drone, it's good. Actually, it's better than good. It's really amazing. It's about a year old at this point. DJI recently released the Mavic 3, I believe. I would recommend you get this thing if you are someone who takes video or photos seriously. You're gonna spend at least $1,000 on this. If you wanna get the Fly More package, which comes with 3 batteries, that's about $1,400 or $1,300. This is a pro device, in my opinion. It is capable of doing professional cinematography. It makes YouTube videos look great. It can make movies look great. It makes commercials look great. Anything aerial that you need to do, this can definitely handle it for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I come out with a new video, and comment so we can connect with each other. I want to know where you're starting from or where your creative journey is coming from. Thank you.